On Thursday this week, retail, malls, cafes, restaurants, cinemas, and other public spaces including playgrounds and gyms can reopen.
So right now I'm just opening up. We've kind of been opening up in level 3, but this is the first day we're allowed customers inside again. We're really excited to be reopening today. Yeah, we've really missed all of our regulars and I think they've missed us too. It's really nice to just be able to welcome our community back in the doors and not have them waiting out in the cold. So yeah, we're really excited to get back to some semblance of normality. So we've got a few measures in place. Obviously all the recommended guidelines from the government. We've got our table space apart, we've got our staff washing and sanitising their hands all the time. We've got hand sanitizer at our till. Any services that would be touched frequently, we're sanitising. We've got our contact tracing QR code. For us as a small business, the biggest sacrifice was the loss of revenue for a month or 6 weeks really. I have to say the wage subsidy was a real amazing gift for businesses, I think, to retain their most valuable resource, which is people always. People are so dedicated to their mahi in these places, all across Tamaki Makaurau. It's a cool opportunity to get to know your community and who's working for you to create an interesting city for us to live in.
As a team of 5 million, we've done really well. We can definitely pat ourselves on the back. Our strategy of going hard and going early and aiming towards elimination has allowed us to have 0 cases for the 3rd consecutive day. To quote public health professor Michael Baker, you're really wanting to think about that you need to be having 0 cases in the community for at least 2 consecutive incubation period. And so that's equivalent to 28 days.
We've been closed for almost 7 weeks now, I think, and this is our first day opening in level 2. It's really crazy to wear full PPE in our job. We have a job that's really a lot about communication, so wearing a mask is quite strange for us. So it's definitely been a big shift for us to go into full PPE. It's a great feeling to be open again at level 2. I think the timing for level 2 is bang on in terms of where people are at mentally and what they, how confident they are to go back out into the community. And as yet, none of our clients have taken up the option to have a mask, but we're in full PPE, so I feel like they probably feel quite safe. And then if you look at our space, we've reduced the number of chairs that we have in the salon and increased the space between our customers so that we can practice safe distancing. That's been really important. Like a lot of New Zealanders and every small business owner, we have had no cash flow and no earnings during that time. I don't think the sacrifices that we've made, I feel like they're balanced with what needed to happen. And I was very happy to make any sacrifices that we have made for the health of the country.
As we move into alert level 2, it's good to be mindful that we potentially had dodged this bullet based on projections. We could have had instead thousands of cases a day like other countries that we're seeing every day in the news, but we don't. So what that means is you need to continue to make sure you get tested if you have symptoms and self-isolate during that time so that you reduce the spread and do everything you can to keep New Zealand safe and COVID-free.